First on 4, will a juvenile face murder charges as an adult? That's a decision a judge will decide in the case of a missing teen who was later found dead. CBS 4's Maribel Gonzalez is live in Rio Grande City with the details. Maribel.
Dan, tensions were running high at the Starr County Court of Law as people gathered inside of the courtroom of Judge Romero Molina. Now today, the court held a hearing to determine if one of the juvenile suspects in connection to the death of 17-year-old Chase Olivares should be charged as an adult. 30 minutes before the hearing started, 4 officers escorted the family members and friends of Chase Olivares into the courtroom. And a few minutes later, the parties related to the juvenile suspect joined. Just a few hours ago, the court heard 3 testimonies. The first witness was Texas Ranger Eric Lopez, who testified that he had investigated the crime scene where Olivares was allegedly killed and his body disposed of. Now, he said that the juvenile suspect in question had had helped with the disposal of Olivares' body after he was shot and killed. According to the ranger, the juvenile solicited the help of his cousin to carry out the crime. The ranger said that he was the person who discovered Olivares' remains, which he says were found at a lagoon near the crime scene. The remains were found in black plastic bags. Now, the ranger also alleged that the juvenile suspect helped burn Olivares' body in a fire pit after first being lured into an abandoned house and shot. Lopez said that the juvenile was present at that time, and he also told the court that the juvenile had been paid $5,000 to carry this out. The defense attorney disputed this and said that the juvenile was not present during the murder and that the juvenile told authorities what was relayed to him by the other suspects. Now, the defense attorney was supposed to present a third witness, that is a psychologist, but due to scheduling conflicts, that psychologist could not be here. The court has postponed the hearing until tomorrow, at which point they can determine whether or not the judge will rule on the motion to transfer the hearing into adult court. In Starr County, with complete Valley coverage, Maribel Gonzalez, CBS Valley at 5.